My name is John Jones. I'm the Managing Director of Paulson's Limited in Colwyn Bay. I've worked here all my life, since 1974.
Hi, I'm Colin, the licensee of the Marine Hotel in Old Colwyn. I've been here for 4 years.
I think the concerts are an excellent idea for the area. It brings the town and surrounding areas together. The concerts bring in people into the town, they spend money in the town. It also helps local businesses to promote themselves. They gain by their sales, and also it raises the profile throughout the whole country that big acts are coming to Colwyn Bay and North Wales.
We look forward to the event every year, obviously being one of the closest pubs to the venue. We get really busy. Weather dependent, we turn the front car park into a beer garden. Try and get a few hundred people out there enjoying the sunshine and before they go up to the concert. Obviously all the rooms are taken months in advance with people going to the venue.
As a company, we benefited from the association with the promoter for the access all areas and Mharc Eirias as it's known now. We've just invested heavily in new digital technology so that we can meet the needs of promoters to produce print on a day when they need it, and we send this print now throughout the whole country for events other than here in Colwyn Bay, throughout Cardiff, Scotland and England for the promoter.
I think a lot of businesses in the local area sort of benefit from these concerts. Obviously there's a big influx of people that wouldn't normally be in the area. They've all got to have somewhere to stay, something to eat, something to drink. So I think generally all the businesses in Colwyn Bay and Old Colwyn do really well from the concerts.
We found it working with the promoter, getting big acts like Tom Jones, Elton John, Lionel Richie, Little Mix and Ollie Mures. It's really exciting. You never think as a little town like Colwyn Bay can be associated with working with individuals of that high calibre. It really is quite exciting, and the staff really get quite a buzz of working on material that they know is going to be seen throughout the whole country, and it is a major star. I think it raises the profile for the whole area, not just in the concerts, but people come to Wales, spend a few more days here, they'll visit local attractions, they'll go to some of the major hotels. It affects the restaurants and businesses. Lots and lots of people are busy. The town gets busier with its new developments on the beach, the rugby. It's really is positive for the area.